In the standard xy coordinate plane, what is the slope of the line given by the equation 4x equals 7y plus 5? If you want to pause the video now to try to solve this on your own, you can do that. Okay, so it asked me to find the slope from an equation. Well, one of the easiest ways we have to find the slope from an equation is to put that in slope-intercept form. So I'm looking at y equals mx plus b, which means if I can get the y isolated, the y by itself, then I know whatever number is the coefficient to the x is my slope. Remember, m represents the slope of that line. So I want to look at my equation and I want to get y by itself. Why is it that my y is not by itself? Well, it's being multiplied by 7 and adding 5. So we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. And so that gives me 4x minus 5 equals 7y. And then I'm going to divide everything by 7, which tells me y equals 4/7 x minus 5/7. I've just flipped my equation around and listed the y first. Okay? Nothing wrong with doing it that way. Now, what is my coefficient of the x? It is 4/7. So that would be my slope. So the slope for this line would be 4/7, which means B is the correct answer.